How's it going, guys? This is Leo from Chevrolet. Here we have a 2027 Chevy Equinox. I'll be showing you how to set the height on your power liftgate. If you follow me right here, you want to hit controls, see more controls, hit the door and windows. You want to make sure you have your power rear gate opening to custom. If we walk back here behind the Equinox, first of all, you're going to want to open the hatch back here. Make sure it's all the way open. And if you follow me, you will see the button right here on the side to make sure you have the vehicle. So you can close the power liftgate. You would want to bring it down, hold this button right here until the lights flash, and then whenever you close the hatch, you can open it back up, and it will stay at the desired height that you put it at. So feel free to stop by and check out this 2027 Equinox here at Chevrolet. Make sure you ask for Leo so I can help you out, even show you more stuff about the vehicle.